right, hi there. So today is Wednesday the 30th. Monday and Tuesday, you watched some videos and thought about research and hopefully went and found an article that seems interesting to you. If you're a little behind in that, I would try to catch that up. You don't need to sit down and do it all in one sitting, but here's the rest of the week's plan. So today, Wednesday, we have a quick write I'll talk about. Then you need to catch up on whatever Monday, Tuesday didn't get done, and you need to be revising your essay and making sure you have sent your peer end notes. If you have not sent those to them, make sure you've done that. Additionally, you'll want to make sure that you are working on your essay to improve it. Your meeting is supposed to have happened by Friday. At this point, I would really appreciate you just scheduling the meetings for next week. I'm pretty busy in the next few days with student meetings, and there's just not enough time. So try to schedule a meeting with me to talk about your essay by the end of next week. Whenever you schedule your meeting, we'll set the due date during that meeting. So today's prompt is, and make sure you watch the rest of the video so I can talk about Thursday and Friday because people have been asking questions. Today is a sentence. So it says, I had to wait in the station for 10 days, an eternity. So you have this bit from Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad. You need to write the sentence in your notebook and put the date above it. What do you notice about it? So this sentence has hyperbole and uses a dash, right? This man is like super over the top dramatic sometimes, and he's like, I had to wait an eternity. It was 10 days because he's so like just British. So think about how you can model a sentence like this, and what do you notice the emphasis on the hyperbole, right? An eternity with the dash. How does that impact its meaning? And then write a sentence like this. So I had to, and then maybe change it, or have just that end dash with something hyperbolic modifying the sentence, the part of the sentence before it. Okay, so 10 minutes, try and do this. When you finished that, I'm going to cross some things out on here, okay? So this is the structure for the rest of the week for everyone. We will be working on our digital tools today. Thursday is a reading day. You have a book snap due on October 5th. That's your third for the quarter. You should be able to go through your Flipgrid and see, do I have 3 posted for this topic? If you don't have 3, you need to have 3. Read in the book snap. Show a picture of the language that they use and make sure you put the cover on. The slides look so awesome. I'm so impressed with what some of you have done. Additionally, on Thursday, you can choose to work on your close reading videos and finding your research. You could also work on peer editing if you're still not done. And finally, you need to finish working on your paper. Friday, there will not be a timed write. Instead, I'm going to ask that you continue working on your essays, and you really are working, right? Schedule your meetings with me. Next week, if it says on the schedule that there is reading due, I'm going to push that back another week. Okay, so Mr. Woodruff and I will be talking about what the next 2 weeks will look like. Yes, I am not in school and I will not be in school for 2 weeks. So we're kind of going to modify things as we go. So email me if you have questions. I will on Thursday again start class together. So Thursday at the beginning of class, I will get onto Google Meet. You can get onto Google Meet at home at the beginning of your class period. Type in SMINC, join the Google Meet with just my name, and I can answer questions that way. So know that at the beginning of class on Thursday, you can ask 5 questions. So if your question can wait until Thursday, wait until Thursday and don't send me an email. Maybe start finding a buddy in class that you can ask questions first to. I love answering your questions, absolutely. But I was overwhelmed on Monday with all of the emails and questions and the repetitive, like the same questions. It means I did something wrong, absolutely. So I don't mind answering those questions, but just kind of think before I send. Did I read? Did I watch the video? I know this week's videos were off because I pre-recorded all of them on Friday and have to do them all again. So I miss you. I know I say that all the time, but I hope that you are able to get through the digital tools you need to do, and I will see you soon.